Do you know what is the major difference between the loose equality operator and the strict equality operator? Let us see this now. This is the loose equality operator, which will check only the value of the two operands what we are trying to compare. Whereas this is the strict equality operator. This will check both data type as well as the value of the two operands what we are trying to compare. Let us take an example here. So here I'm trying to compare two values. One is the number 1 and the other is string 1. If I am using loose equality operator here, this is a number and this is a string. Both have the same values. If I am using loose equality operator here, it will check only the value which is 1 here. Due to this reason, it will return as true. If I am using strict equality operator here, it will check both the values as well as the data types. So here values remain same, which is 1, whereas data types are different. One is number and the other is string. Due to this reason, as data types are not matching here, it will return as false. So this is the major difference between the loose equality and the strict equality operators in JavaScript.